Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add members to a shared drive in Google Workspace. This is essential when you need to collaborate with your team and give them access to important files and folders all in one place. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts set up on your browser. After signing in, look at the left-hand navigation panel. You'll see several options there, including My Drive and Shared with Me. Click on Shared Drives. This section houses all the shared drives you have access to within your organization. Shared drives are different from regular folders because they're owned by the team rather than an individual, making them perfect for collaborative work. From the list of shared drives, open the one you want to add members to. Once inside, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Manage Members. Click on it to access the member management panel. Now you'll see a field that says Add People and Groups. This is where you'll type the email address of the person or group you want to invite. As you start typing, Google will display suggestions based on your organization's directory. If the correct email appears in the suggestions, select it to add them quickly. Once you've added someone, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to their name. Click on it to choose their permission level. Google offers several options. Viewer allows them to only view files. Commenter lets them add comments. Contributor enables them to add and edit files, but not delete anything created by others. Content Manager gives them full editing rights, including deleting files. And Manager grants complete control, including the ability to add or remove members. If you need to add more members, simply repeat the process by typing another email address in the Add People and Groups field, selecting it, and setting the appropriate permission level for each person. Finally, when you've finished adding all your members and setting their permissions, click Send to confirm. All the members you added will now have access to the shared drive according to the permissions you set. Thanks for watching.